So what can you get with $400 or less in Da Nang for 1 month? This place, let's have a look, let's check it out.
Alright, so starting off, we are in the tourist area, Mian, I believe it said, I don't know really, and it's above a cafe, and it's an apartment building as you can see in these pictures. I haven't really been to the cafe too much, but the road is great, it's in a good area, next to the beach, so really good value I guess on Airbnb. And here you can see the rooftop. I often went here just to relax, see the sunset or sunrise even. And there's a washing machine on this rooftop, but it's always being occupied, and that's the only washing machine that I have anyway in my apartment. There's nothing inside the actual apartment, so I use a laundry service outside on the road next to mine. So I take all of my things there, and it costs per kilogram around 25,000 dong. So that's something to keep in mind. And here is just a beautiful sunset that I saw one day. So yeah, I just came up here to see it. Not many people, even often nobody, is up here at the top. So it was really relaxing. As I'm making this video, I'm still in this apartment, but I'm leaving pretty soon, so I'm just talking in the past. And as you see here, this is inside of the actual apartment now. A few clips first, and it's quite like a studio, mix of studio and apartment, I don't know, in between. Going into more detail right here, this is the door when you go in, enter the apartment. It doesn't have a key card or something like that. It's just an actual key that you need to use, and then you lock it. And it's a bit weird because if you can get stuck or locked out if you don't bring your key, as it's just automatically locking, so that could cause problems if you forget. So don't forget. Of course, I'm just showing you the fridge and freezer here, which is next to the door. You have a shoe rack right here to put your shoes. Kind of use it, kind of not. They gave me sandals or 2 pairs of flip-flops complimentary or something, but I haven't used them. And the cleanliness of this place, it was like mostly good. Of course, here you got a lot of cutlery too. They give you pots and pans. But yeah, the cleanliness, it was mostly good. A few things like the pillows, they had stains on inside. What else? There were some other things I'm forgetting. I will realize as the video goes on. But yeah, a lot of storage space in this apartment is what you'll find. And here is where I put my rubbish, trash. There's a bin here, so I just collect everything in bags, and you have to put the bags outside. A lot of places in Vietnam, or maybe Da Nang, I'm not really sure if it's where it's specific to, but you have to put your rubbish outside in bags, just in some box or next to a tree or something like that, and it gets collected. So yeah, people put their rubbish outside like that. And here is the bathroom. They give you 3 towels. One of them I am washing, but anyway. And this shower, which was really big. It's a pretty nice shower area. I liked it. All of my random things here on the sink. Everything works fine. It works fine for me. No issues, I believe, in the bathroom. Nothing was a problem, or nothing has been a problem so far. That storage space wasn't the cleanest either at the bottom below, but anyway, moving on. Yeah, these are just minor things, so it's not too big of a deal. This table, barely used it. The only time I'm really in here is when I'm working and sleeping. So yeah, more storage space, as you see under the TV area. Everything is just storage space. So I don't know why you'd need that much, but even half of this is too much. My laptop here randomly, and a window where I don't really have a view. So another reason I go to the roof, because I don't have a view. The bed, a bit messy, I'm trying to sort it out for the video. These wardrobes where you have a lot of space, me in the mirror, more storage space, and medication I had on the top, which is not so important. And then there is the desk, this nice painting. I really like this actually. Yeah, this desk where I do my work on. because it's just more convenient and comfortable than the table, and there's a plug right next to it, so you can charge things. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I would say. So let me know what you think, or if you have any questions about it. And the price I put was including everything. I don't think there are any extra costs after, but we will see. So yeah, this is the apartment, and see you in the next video.